Do you recognize this place? This is my workshop where I do projects. I'm working on a project right now. It's a door for my office that I'm building from scratch from plywood, and I'll be installing it hopefully later on this week after I finish it and actually make the hardware to hang it with. But you're not going to see that on this channel. That's because I don't do projects on this channel. I only talk on this channel. Or I may do something that I don't want to put on my main channel. It might be something about, a small action or operation that I think might be interesting, like cutting a furnace filter in half. It's one example. But there might be other things. But there won't be any projects on this channel because this is not what this channel is for. This channel is for me mainly to talk to the people that are interested in what I have to say. If you're one of those people, and I know there are quite a few out there that have no interest in hearing what I have to say, stop watching this channel. Go subscribe or resubscribe or ring the notification bell on my main channel where you'll see this kind of stuff here, and you won't see any of me talking to you in rambling type videos.